Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the store number for any Circle K store. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in circlek.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Circle K website. Now right within the homepage, you will see the find your nearest store option. You can simply type in the state or city and start your search. Now from the search results, you will be able to see the map view of various different Circle K outlets. When you find the particular store, you can simply click on the store name and you will be able to see the various kind of details about the store. Right underneath the address, you will also find the phone number. And now you can simply use this number to get in touch with the store. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find the store number for a Circle K outlet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.